What's up guys, in this video I'll be taking you through some of the best features of the HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So basically, if you have any HiWatch Pro smartwatch that also uses the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app to connect to your phone, you want to go ahead and watch some of the tips and tricks I'll be showing you in this particular video to fully optimize the power of your smartwatch when connected with your phone. First and most importantly is the ability for you to be able to change the wallpaper or watch face of your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So basically, with the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app on your phone, you can simply just set a custom wallpaper or watch face for your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. And to do that, once both devices are connected, as you can see, mine is actually connected at the top, you want to just go ahead and click on the dial settings over here, select that, and from the watch dials, you're going to see different watch dials over here. You want to just select any option you want and it will actually be reflected on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. But if you want to use your own photo as a custom wallpaper, that is your own picture, you want to just scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see the custom dial option at the bottom. Go ahead and select any of the custom dials. Take for instance this one, then click on the select button over here, scroll down and select any picture you want to use as the wallpaper of your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Once you select your picture, go ahead and click on the check button at the top, click on install, and then click on install again, click on got it, and automatically this particular wallpaper will be sent into your HiWatch Pro smartwatch and be set as your custom wallpaper for the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app. And once your wallpaper is finally installed, the smartwatch is just going to restart itself, and as you can see, this is basically the wallpaper I just set for my HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Another interesting feature or trick that you can actually perform with your HiWatch Pro smartwatch that you probably don't know is the ability for you to be able to make and receive calls from your HiWatch Pro smartwatch without necessarily having to use your phone. Now, all you just have to do is to go over to the list of apps on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch from over here, locate the call icon which is over here, and then just go ahead and call any number of your choice. Click on the call icon, and as long as both devices are connected together, you're actually going to be able to make and receive calls from your phone using just your HiWatch Pro smartwatch, and this works pretty well. The smartwatch also has a mic, so over here is actually a microphone. You can actually just speak with the smartwatch and the person you're calling is actually going to be able to hear you properly without any problem. It also has some built-in speakers over here, as you can see. Also, you can go ahead and add your frequently called contacts so that they will be added to the phone book of the smartwatch as well. So if you come over to your phone over here and then just click on the frequent contacts, you can as well just go ahead and add numbers you frequently call, and once you add them here, they will also be added to your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So if you go over to your HiWatch Pro smartwatch and then just look for the contacts option, over here is the contact icon. Once I click on it, I should be able to find all of the numbers I have added as my frequently called contacts on the phone book on my HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Another interesting feature is the ability for you to be able to receive all of your social media notifications from your HiWatch Pro smartwatch app to your HiWatch Pro smartwatch over here. And for that, what you just want to do is to locate the message push option over here, select that, click on allow, and then you just want to go ahead and toggle any of these buttons for the apps you want to be able to send messages into your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So you can toggle it for Facebook. Take for instance, click on the open button and then also make sure you give the app permission. So go ahead and select the app from over here. It is the HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Then click on the allow notification access over here. And once you toggle on this button, you can now go back to the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app, go ahead and toggle it on for Facebook as well, and now you should be able to receive all of your Facebook and even WhatsApp. You can toggle it on directly from here, and all of these messages and notifications will be received on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Also, with both devices connected together, you can actually use your phone to find your HiWatch Pro smartwatch, or use your HiWatch Pro smartwatch to find your phone if you misplace any of it. So if you just click on the find button over here, automatically your HiWatch Pro smartwatch will start to make a noise, enabling you to be able to find it wherever you misplace it. And also in that same way, if you come over to your HiWatch Pro smartwatch and then just look for the find option, you should also be able to find your phone wherever you misplace it, as long as both devices are connected. Keep in mind that the HiWatch Pro smartwatch actually comes with all of the interesting fitness and health features that you can actually think of. So from the list of apps over here, if you click on this activities icon, you can literally see all of the sports activities we have, and the smartwatch can actually track any of the sports activities when you start to make them. So you have different options over here. It also has other interesting features. For instance, here we have the blood oxygen rate, so it actually monitors your blood oxygen. It has that feature as well. There are also other interesting features that you can actually find from the smartwatch itself. So if you actually go over here, there is the option for you to control the music playback. If you come over here, we have the heart rate monitoring that actually helps you to monitor your heart rate as well. The smartwatch also comes with certain default apps like the Facebook app and the WhatsApp app, just for you to be able to receive messages and organize your messages when you receive maybe WhatsApp messages and then Facebook messages. All of these things are just going to be organized in the different applications we have over here. Now, if you come over to the top and then click on this icon, you can literally see that the smartwatch can also monitor your blood pressure as well, which can actually be a very useful and handy feature. Now, in addition to all of these, the HiWatch Pro smartwatch also usually comes with certain games. So if you click on games, you can literally see that in this case, we have the snake game. Depending on the model of HiWatch Pro smartwatch you can actually have different games on your own smartwatch. For instance, for some, you can actually get the racing game, but in my case over here, it is actually the snake game. So I can actually play game with the smartwatch without any problem as well. Also, you can actually control the camera of your phone using the HiWatch Pro smartwatch as well. So if you click on the camera app on your phone and then just go over to the camera app on the HiWatch Pro smartwatch, you should be able to just control the camera of your phone using the HiWatch Pro smartwatch, and this actually works pretty well as well. Now finally, my last two interesting features of the HiWatch Pro smartwatch is actually the ability for you to raise to wake. So if you actually have the smartwatch and you want it to always wake the screen whenever you bring it up just to view the smartwatch, you want to go over to the raise to wake option over here and then just toggle this on, and you're going to see how it will magically wake the screen of your HiWatch Pro smartwatch whenever you raise it with your hands. Finally, the smartwatch also has widgets option. So if you scroll over to the left, you should be able to find all of the widgets on the smartwatch that allows you to be able to find apps easily directly from over here. So these are basically just different apps on the smartwatch in a single page. So we have calculator, we have the call icon, and then there is also the music playback. This is actually an easier way for you to be able to control everything on your phone using just your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. If you find this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.